Hello, I'm Dr. Tanvi Haldipurkar and I'm the cataract and refractive specialist at Lakshmi Eye Hospital. If I can show you where exactly the lens is, now this is your eye, it's a cut section of the eye, and the cataract is a kind of clouding that happens in the lens. Now interestingly, cataracta, which is a Greek word, means a dense waterfall. So it's like a white water body that kind of was named after, so cataract was named after that, happens when this clear lens, which is in your eye, starts becoming cloudy. So the lens becomes whitish, you no longer can see very well through it, and that is what is called cataract. Cataract can happen at any age, any time, but of course there are many different reasons for happening at different ages. Children are born with cataract, those are called congenital cataracts, and they need to be dealt with differently. You can get cataract if you have any metabolic problems, if you have diabetes, if you've had a trauma, if you've fallen somewhere, something's hit on your eye, you could develop cataract over a short period. And the most common, which we all know and see in our old age, which is the age-related cataract. So mostly when a patient gets cataract, the first couple of months what he may face is some kind of blurring of vision. And that could be as small as like a glare that he feels when he goes in sunlight. He may feel that things which were seen more brighter, more colorful are not so anymore. They may find that it is dull. You may even notice a sudden change that is happening, after a stability of number for many years. Suddenly my glass power has been changing for the last couple of months. So these are small subtle signs that you may face, and then that could be a good time for you to come get a consultation done, because it could signify you have cataract. If you feel that things are not very clear, that is the correct time to go visit a good ophthalmologist, because we now have options to cater to all your needs, and we can always give you that freedom from glasses that you've been wanting for so very long.